Classics. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Triple black car, so black cloth top, black leather interior, obviously black exterior. Also blacked out rims. Riding on Eagle F1s. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LS1. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this car. Power steering, power brakes, AC. A little over 65,700 and some odd miles on it. Now I will point out, as you can see, try to get it show up, there have been some touch-ups in the paint on the hood. Black paint does show its age a little bit, as with anything that's going to be black and 20 years old. One you can get in and drive though, not have to worry about it. Have a little fun with the top down. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, interior, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. I'll kind of try to point out some of the things I've noticed around this car going around it. Recent service work by some receipts that were in the owner's manual. And the owner's manual will go with this car. It did have the rear differential fluid replaced, drained and replaced. Also, there was an alignment in 2018, I'm assuming to keep those Goodyear F1s wearing evenly. Tread looks good on them. You can see that in the still pictures. Coolant was also drained and replaced with Dex Cool. Rear shocks were replaced. Fuel filter. So some service work done to this. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also did notice a little touch up back here. That just show up there is above the third brake light. Touch up on that upper fascia. You'll also notice in the still pictures there's some manuals. Besides the owner manual, there's a manual for a Pioneer. Looks like a Bluetooth capable stereo that was installed. Also noticed a backup camera and receipt for that. There is the original radio that will be in the trunk. There's also a 12 CD changer back there, FYI, that would have came with it stock. Again though, the head unit has been replaced by a Pioneer. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. I mean, it's just imperfections that show up in black over time, but you can see it does have a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Power seats, driver and passenger side, heads up display. Of course, Bose stereo system, power windows, power locks, memory seating. Tilt and cruise, driver's information center, dual climate control, electronic climate control. It's nicely equipped, one. Let's go ahead and start this up. We'll check those exact miles that you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. There's your miles, 65,786. You can see there's no warning indicators, anything like that. Any sort of check engine lights, anything along that line. There's that Pioneer stereo. Again, looks like with Bluetooth capabilities. And then there's a whole manual for that in the trunk also to go with it. There's dual climate control. Take a look at the rest of the dash. There's your heads-up display. That is working. Take a little closer look at the seats. Pretty much really free of any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. You're also going to see when I put the top up, as a cloth top, nice shape, rear glass window, and it does have smoked tinted windows. So we're going to check that out. I'll mention that when we get to that. Slip around to the back. Sounds like there's been a little bit of exhaust work done in this O1, the throaty or rumble coming out of that LS1. Hood open here, one-handed. Let's pop that engine bay and take a look at it. Pop the hood, check out the engine bay, I should say. There we go. For the miles, hood liner very clean. Doesn't appear this thing's really been driven much for inclement weather. Nice tidy engine bay, stock looking up underneath here. Smooth running, again, very reliable 5.7 liter LS1. Do have a little different intake on it, it appears right here. Cold air intake. You can see the reflection coming off that hood too. It's not that the black paint doesn't shine, no doubt about that. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. All right, there you have the engine bay. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause this one more time. Just close up the hood. I'll shut it down and get that top up for you. Takes maybe a minute. Put it up manually. Works well, and we'll check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top to take a look at. Again, remember the old ones to be a manual top. Very simple to put up. One person can do it from one side of the car in a matter of minutes. As mentioned before, we do have the smoked window, so check with your local or state laws as far as the tint percentage you can have. But as far as the top itself, nice shape. A little more black in person than it is. Gets a little bit washed out in these videos. There you go. That's a good idea of the color of it. But yeah, free of rips, holes, tears. Fits nice and snug. Got the rear glass window, rear defrost in it. No surprises there. Going to serve its purpose. Mechanically works fine going up and down. Very easy to use. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette. A little over 65,000 miles on it. That's 6-speed with the LS1 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.